This shouldn't happen to an elf. I wonder if Santa gives them workers' comp for stuff like this. I've heard of Christmas crackers before, but not like this. Hold on, there's other ways of having Christmas fun. Like this advent calendar, just full of treats. Oh, Santa's getting a holiday makeover. It's shiny, but we're gonna need some eye holes. Now add a slit for the mouth. It's the perfect place to stash our Christmas lights. Good idea. Red is Santa's favorite color. Now it's your turn. Guess nothing beats the direct approach. Besides, we need all the pieces to whip something up. Start at the bottom and work your way up. All starting with a pair of big black boots. Next, let's give Santa's shirt a quick trim. And ditch the arm. You've got two of them after all. Santa Claus, I choose you. Let's make him a shell. Don't worry, we've got something for your front too. Cover him up with glue in all sorts of colors. How about we ditch those arms and give you a leg up? But he still could use some hands. Ah, much better. Naughty kids better watch out. Now back to you. We can use all sorts of colors for the base. But let's go traditional on the exterior. Red and black. Now hook that torso up to those legs.
Wow!
Next, blast those legs. Not the top ones, the bottom ones. Guess Santa's getting open-toed shoes. Every cool cat's gonna need some claws. You know, that bulb of his could use some skin. Let's throw on a nice red for the mouth. Now, why don't you show us some teeth? What a nice bow, and such nice material. It'll make a great tongue.
Hey! What?
Ah, you waiting for Santa? Ooh, cobwebs. Santa's gotta have a beard. Now back to the blocks. Gotta love it when they assemble themselves. Now Block Santa can flex those guns. Meanwhile, our other Santa could use a fresh coat. Ooh, talk about shining shoes. Now throw on some horns. It's just what we need for a little matador practice. Back to basics. Blocks. Basic blocks. Remember, Santa needs his beard. Oh, he gets a mustache too. Classy. Still, he's missing a little something. His famous red hat. Guess we're keeping the little orphan Annie eyes. Scary Santa could use a nice cape, too. Looks like chestnuts aren't the only things roasting. This will keep things nice and toasty. Now for just a few final touches. We've got our own Krampus. And Santa, too. It's time to double-check those naughty and nice lists.
Come on!
Is your TV broken? Bring your old TV to us, and we'll replace it with a new one.
Hey! Thank you.
Spider can spin a web any size. Got to da 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 da. Look out! Here comes the Spider-Man.